I want you to stay tuned, because I have come up with a great idea that I'm going to share with you, and it's about you, actually. So I'm calling all of the citizen journalists who want to capture the story. Not only that, it can be a story at your family reunion. It can be a story on the street that you run across, whatever the case may be. You all have so much power, and um, you should really get a book by Bill Reeder on citizen journalism. But, anyways, besides that, for the month of February, I'm going to teach you how to capture and tell and distribute the story professionally. And what that means is, so yeah, you can look at my bio. I've won a lot of Emmy Awards, Associated Press, Best of Gannett. As a matter of fact, my documentary, Journey to My Mother's Land, has won 3 international awards just recently. So it's documentary, it's film, it's blogging, it's vlogging, it's broadcast, it's online, all of that media, all things media. I'm going to cover you. I'm going to show you how to capture the action. A lot of times I love what's going on, I love what's happening, but it's all over the place. There are 3 basic shots, and you can go from there, but I'm going to teach you how to capture the video, the photo, how to do it professionally. I want you to be able to capture what you want and do it well and go up to the next level. So you don't have to go to college. Uh, the class is coming to you. The class is coming to you, capturing the action for citizen journalists. And so then I'm going to move to how to write your story. There's a particular way of writing it. How to tease your story. Some of you all tease your story and you tell the story instead of teasing it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. How to write your story, how to shoot your story, how to tell your story, how to narrate your story, how to front your story. All of those things and more. All of those things and more. I'm going to come to you, have a class. As a matter of fact, you're going to have time and an opportunity to work with me one-on-one, where I'll work with you one-on-one and ask, what is it that you want to learn? Or I can answer your questions live and get the action. So yes, so I thought to myself, I've been around some of the very best. And because of that, I believe that after practice and years, I've been in the business for over 35 years. So I've won Emmy Awards for writing, editing, shooting, producing. I've won awards for reporting. And I said, you know what? Everything's aligned, so why not come to you? I think you're doing a fantastic job. Let's just take it up a notch. I hope you can join me. Stay tuned to learn more. You take great care and have a great day. Oh, I'm Dr. Janice Marie Collins. See ya.